Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks from MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Yamaha AR220. So we'll start back here towards the stern. You can see all the way in the back you've got a nice big open swim platform with some marine mat, some cup holders and seat backs back there. You can tell Yamaha's putting a lot of focus towards making that a comfortable area to hang out when you're on the boat. Coming right into the cockpit, you can see these two loungers here, and they do hide your twin Yamaha TR1 motors down in there. So you do have twins on this boat, so it makes maneuverability super simple. This is one of the smallest models that Yamaha offers with the twin motors, so it's an awesome feature to have on this boat. Like I said, you get the twin throttles, so you're able to use those in tandem. Makes maneuvering the boat super easy. Along with the cruise assist that you can see right next to the steering wheel on the helm. And then right above that is that Yamaha Connect screen that's going to have all of your engine management info on there. It's a nice open helm, and you got a cell phone mount with wireless charging here. Just an overall good sporty look on this boat here. With the captain's chair, you've got that adjustable bolstering and the full swivel. It can turn around if you're not captaining the boat, you're just using this as an entertaining area. This area here, this nice long bench seat, this is exclusive to the AR220, so you can fit a couple of people here, and then you have a hideaway glove compartment behind that seat back there. Right atop there, you've got a marine mat, non-skid mat for storing like wallets, keys, and then this area right here specifically will charge your cell phone. You can see you do have storage on this boat, so you've got a good bit over here on the port side with a hideaway trash can. You got some in this nice large ski compartment right in the center here. While we're down here, we'll take a look at the flooring. So this is a snap-in woven vinyl flooring, and underneath there you've got the non-skid. So this flooring is super easy to take in and out for cleaning, or if you want to have it out for the day, you don't have to worry about it getting dirty. You can take it all out, leave it on the dock when you're out. Take a look at the bow real quick. It's pretty big for a 22-footer. You could easily fit 3 to 4 people on here depending on size. And however you're using it, you can use a sun pad cushion here to make it a full sun pad, and then that way, if you got just 2 people up here, you can use this as a tanning area or something like that. Also got some dedicated anchor storage up here and a bow ladder. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.